Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much. All of you have been following up on the content. Today I'm at Nile Hotel. I came for a swim, and you know, as a counselor I love swimming and exercising, and Nile Hotel is the sponsor of this video. I want to teach something. I want to encourage my friends who are following this channel with something. Are you looking for a home away from home and confused, don't know which direction to take? You are in Uganda or any country in the world and you want to come for vacation or holidays? Now a hotel welcomes you to Jinja and Jeru area with their big home that offers 24-hour services using their excellent customer service, best room service, ample space for any kind of party, seminar and conference center. There is access to free Wi-Fi around the hotel and restaurant, plus enough stress-free parking space. Every room is climate controlled, has TV and beautiful balconies overlooking Jinja Town and the breathtaking Njeru environment. We offer bed and breakfast to all guests, local and international foods served according to customer wish at favorable prices. Other services include bar and restaurant, sauna and steam bath, massage, gym, swimming pool, plus gardens and conference center. We are located at Nassau Road, Plot 12 off Kayunga Road in Njeru Municipality. Come and enjoy our amazing services at Nile Hotel. Thanks so much for watching that advert. Like I said, we are at Nile Hotel today, and I was swimming. When you swim, you use a lot of energy. I realized that as I was swimming out with my friends and teaching out a few, and that's pretty much how the day went. You see, he's learning how to swim, and I want to share something that I realized later on, because it was my turn to dive underwater. So now I talk to my friend and I say, can we try to dive? And he accepts and he swims to go to the other end where we're going to have a starting point. Discuss how we're gonna move, how we're going to dive. It's so fun diving once you get used to it, but you know, for me, I rarely ever swim. I love swimming a lot. It's one of my favorite spots. Swimming and doing exercise, those are the things I love to do. And each one of you, everyone watching this video, I hope you get time to choose which sports will help you in your free times to socialize with friends, and sometimes when you are stressed, how do you turn yourself on? How do you get back on track? So we are going to dive underwater. So swimming and gymming is like any other sport. When you don't swim or gym or exercise for a long time, your body loses stamina. So I realized this as we dived into the water with my friend. I wanted to give up, and this usually happens to everybody when you don't train for a long time. And I think I last swam months ago. So once I got there in the water, I felt like I wanted to stop, then there was something that really helped me. I used my eyes to see how the water is moving, and I used my eyes to see what distance was remaining. And as I was there, I was thinking with my mind, and I thought about endurance that I usually talk about, and those thoughts helped me to remain underwater, persevering. So my friends who were there, who learn about swimming, who try to do some diving. Diving is not just about falling into the water and diving and all that. It's about using your mind, your eyes, and everything about you to decide as you are there. Because you could want to get out in 5 seconds, but if you think and persevere, you can add more 4 seconds to that, and you become an expert. You probably win the other. So one thing I've realized after swimming and making this video is that to be able to dive really well and to be able to swim really well, you have to use both your mind, your eyes, your body. That will enable you to move faster and to move an extra mile. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video was very helpful. Please share with other people and spread the hope, and continue pressing forward in this new year of 2023. Love you all.